We're gonna move a person. As you can see, the cart holds it. There you go. Gotta be safe than sorry. There we go. So this thing holds 175 pounds. Leeyoung makes hand carts. 175-pound capacity. They come in red, black, and green. I have two here. Show you what they look like when they come in a nice packaged box. Let's open one up, show you what it looks like. This is the cart. Again, it comes in red, black, and green. Very simple to operate. You push down on the base, the wheels automatically open up. You simply grab the handle over here and you put your foot on the base. You lift up on the handle, it opens up automatically, it snaps into place. You are given a bungee cord. It could be put on any way you want and it wraps around on the bottom of the cart like so. Be careful not to, catch your face with it and so forth. There are no hooks or little loops that you can grab to the side of the cart, but there you go. You could take the other one. And right here, there are little areas that you simply take the bungee cord and you could wrap around over here and hook it up. And we're going to show you how this thing works in operation. So I'm ready to go to work. I got my wheels there. I got a heavy toolbox. I place it down. When I'm ready to go and I got my cart, there I am. I need to pack up some more stuff. I take some tools. I can just, put it on there and out the door I go. When my day is over, I unpack. I take my bungee cord off. Pick the color you like, red, black, and green. These are great. Go away on vacation carrying heavy things up to 170 pounds, 175 to be exact. It's got that wheel, very silent, very quiet, very easy to roll, very portable. Puts in a car, puts away over here, anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your cart if this is right for you. This is the black one. I got some barrels to move. The barrels are pretty heavy. I got it on. I lift up. And off I go to move my barrel. Well, it does a good job holding a lot of weight. If I need to put it back, I simply just lay it down. There I go. Great cart indeed. Whatever you need it for.